Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I bring you yet another Khelobedu video where we are going to translate 100 words and short phrases that are mostly common in Khelobedu. After this, you're going to be speaking Khelobedu. Hey, if you are dating a Khelobedu speaking person, this is your time to impress. So you need to grab this. The in-laws need to hear you speaking Khelobedu, alright? Anyway, whatever reason you are learning Khelobedu for, this will really help you a lot. So let's get down into the video. How are you? You will say in English, and in Khelobedu it will depend who you are talking to. If it's someone same age as you, you will say Obiani. And then if it is someone older than you will say Legai. I am fine, and how are you? If it's someone younger than you or same age, you will say Ulugile Obiani. Or if it's an elderly person, you will respond by saying Riona Legai. Ask, Wujisa, yes, a, no, awa. Money, chelere, you, wena, thank you, gialeboa. In English, you'll say maybe. In Khelobedu, you'll say mothomongwe or tamosi. Way, guy, I forgot, gilevade. When, leni. Why, levaga. If it's just a one word, you say why, say levaga. Why are you doing that? Uriela in. Why are you going there? So I think with why it will depend about what is it in the conversation, what's the conversation about, but if it's just one word, why, you can say levaga, remember, ubula. Please try to remember, ubela ubule. Stop, Emma. Wait, emanyana. Look, bona. Come, ida. Come back, vuya. Walk, chibila. Go, zamaya. Or chibila, go walk, chibila, zamaya, same thing. You, wena. You guys, if it's a group of people, you guys, you will say volena. Me, nna. Us, vorena. Them, vobona. See, bona, ubona. I see, giabona. See this, bona mo. That, ntroyeo. There, gua. All of us, kamogaborina. All is well, ulugile, zilugile. On the road, zileni. Outside, gande. In the house, gandoni. At work, mushumoni. At school, sigoloni. At church, geregeni. At the hospital, sebedela or kebedela. I am studying, giavala. I am reading, giavala. During the day, motsiari. At night, busiu. In the morning, kamatwana or furu. But yeah, now most of us say furu. But usually elderly people, you'll hear them saying gamatwana. It is hot, oafisa. It is cold, oadronya. It is raining, eana. Bula eana. A week, vege. A month, kgwedi, a year, ngwaha, a thing, ntho, ntho ye, this thing, ntho ye, a thing, ntho, things, zwilo, life, bophelo, a man, monna, a woman, mosadi, a child, ngwana, a hand, letsoho, eyes, mahlo. It is nice, iyadifa, iyashakaja. Come inside, zenagari. Stand up, emelela. Sit down, dula fasi. Everyone stand up, bashoka moka emelelani. Everyone sit down, bashoka moka dulani fasi. Truth, nnete. Lies, maga. Speak, aba. I'll speak with him. Gidwa aba le yena. Problem, mashara. Laughing, oseya. He is sad, onyamile, ogwadrile. The ogwadrile can also be angry. Ogwadrile, onyamile. A place, lefelo. Here, mo. There, gua. Where is it? Imogai. Where are you? Umogai. What? Ini. How? Yani. Who? Mani. I see. Ngiyabona. I can hear you. Ngiyauzwa. I know it. Ngiyaziva, ngiyaziziva. A lot. Gamada. I love you a lot. Ngiyorara gamada. A little bit. Othoko. It is here. Gimo. She is here. Umo. So it doesn't matter whether it's a man, it's a woman, she, he, we all say umo. Give it to me. Mpeyona. Take. Gia. Come here. Idamo. Idamonu. I want. Gianyaga. I want it. Giainyaga. It is not the same. Azitwani. It is not the same. Autwani. It is not the same. Azitwani. It will depend. These things are not the same. Azitwani. It is not the same without lehlohonolo. Autwani onu lehlohonolo yona. We are finished. Refejije. Yes, refejije. We are finished with this lesson. Thank you guys if you are still watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.